So the niya behela.
Yeah, the pala the rola with the head yellow ma takona gave it Easter ma. Easter day ma.
Nahiram tagaira.
You had a thing at the Kim Dalla.
Say your name, Pepe.
I mean, military pull off, then hit him Dalla. I had a yawa. No, really?
Dora.
No, really?
We la Emma.
Thank you, thank you.
Quite a lot.
Lele do lo tahilo lo ne. Tahilo lo ni mo pali yo kane. Nan chadi abu ne chunu ga no bi. Chadi ne chunu ga no bi wa no bi kane mi ba ne chadi ko nyana ba hi ki ta ni ne. Jane ma. Baby ya kire.
So dunia dia bela.
Hello, pakai hat awara chadi ma. Taka gave it Easter day ma.
Oh. Ya.
Ne?
Nahiram tagaira.
You had the dapo, you had a loss.
Oh. Oka dora lana. Wait. Tani. Eh? Tani. La odira duri. La hilo lune.
Put that female to hand a well color now. Put that chicken soup halal. When you want to loss.
Look at this. They hold your own basket. Look at this. Wow.
Hey, we're gonna have it together.
By their age groups. Mom
has
has
rated
rated
3.
Le chadi di no. Le chadi di egg washing nan tabu no. Okay?
Right there. Yeah, shut it up. Right there. Hey, baby.
Baby lo ne tia egg, ne tia. Baby tia.
Shut it up.
And you're eating your basket.
Ha chadi do pro lo ne de. Ye chum na ta la chadi di ba ta la wali. Chadi wait.
Shut it up.
Oh my gosh, she dropped it.
Put it in your pocket something.
Okay, Pop, put it in my pocket.
Lasa, go get a lot of egg, okay? Takur, Lasa.
Taku, put me the taku and the taku knowledge the hair about it.
Đi bitu ga yang lo ka uri hala wase ke ha kwa ra ji ga. Bitu ga
Everyone's registered for your prizes. You have not, please go right to the lobby of the church and register for your prizes.
Register, you can register. Go, register.
ai đi. Ai đi đã qua ka Selina ke no. Selina.
We're going to call each age group individually this year. So I'm going to start down on the
Okay, come here. Come here, Dad. Get ready.
Wait, not yet.
All right, parents, here. We're going to call each age group individually this year. I'm going to start off first with the 0 to 3, and then we'll work our way down and go that way, okay? Everyone registered? Yep. Awesome. Hang tight.
Do we pick it up for them, or they pick it up?
Baby's gonna have to pick it up herself.
Oh, you have to pick it up.
Oh, we can cheat a little. Wait, do I help y'all?
Yeah, you can help Selena.
Help Selena,
All right,
Nora.
guys.
Ne ke ke bi si de.
Only 0 to 3, guys. Only 0 to 3.
Wow.
On the count of 3. 2. 1.
Baby de la Selina.
She's taking so long.
The lost hop, put it in.
Bên lò mua đây.
The lost.
Bên này lò. Bên lò.
The lost hop, put it in the basket.
Mua đây bên lò. Put them down. The lost hop, put them down.
The lost hop.
The lost hop bên lè. Bên này lò. The lost hop, put them down. Bên lò.
Put it down.
Man, I did do my. She don't want to put it down. Nah, let her eat it. This is more colorful.
The lost hop, put it up, put it up.
What happened, la? The lost happened, la. Put it down like this. Put it, la. Put it, la. Put it, la, mua đây. What? Put it, la. Put it down.
Wait, fill it up too.
Yeah.
Dora, go get more. Go get more. Go get more, Dora. I don't think you're supposed to pick it.
Every other parent is doing it. I'm gonna do it too.
Wait, don't do.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Wait, gotta wait. Go get rainbow egg.
Go get a rainbow egg.
You didn't do this to yourself.
Let her do it.
Okay, Dora, get more egg.
Selena, get one. Pick up.
Rainbow egg over there.
Don't eat it. No,
No,
Selena.
Not yet. Okay, pick it up, put it in your basket.
Come on.
Dora, pick it up.
All right, parents, when you're done, if you will please bring
You ate an egg.
Wait. You have 2 bags, Selena. Dora, you have 2 bags.
She's gonna have more
Wet
bags.
hat. Okay. Wet hat. Wow. Oh, say thank you. Say thank you, Selena. Thank you.
I think people are dumb. Dora, you
Oh,
finished?
are we done?
Dora, come on, let's go.
Get it.
Go slow.
Go, Dora. Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Oi.
I want to put them in the basket, so.
Pepe, put it up.
Nummer sama, ven qua. Nummer sama, ven.
Pepe, get one.
Bên lò, mua đây bên lò. Yeah, I'm here. Oh my goodness. Là tiểu này. Thế rồi mà. Nó bên nào bài hi lớn đi được. Đã thế rồi mà. Jessica, come on. Đây là backpack. Hurry up, Ora.
Pepe, put it down.
Her star fell. Mẹ chuan tên thế vào đi. Gì heo lo.
Put it all in, Jessie. Put it.
Ai phụ mười mà bên này. Bên này à. I pen where I chung where I look at.
Wait, Jessie.
Yes, I'm going to do it. Come on, follow me.
Stop it. Put it down. Put it down, babe. Babe, put it down.
I chora away. So that's all. I chora. Can you pick them up? Can you?
Wait, the mom dollar.
Mà em lo nó mới chỉ lịch kia bó, nó bảo là chọn nó bảo hít đập nó rồi. Và chicken nó gì cái này.
Orang tua.
Ni bebe đi.
Orang ni bebe.
Kan dia jalan lah.
Yellow. Yellow. Yellow.
Oh, ni lu ni apa kau pari. Lu ni bebe dah bebe.
They didn't have any.
Oh.
They can't even eat these.
Everything is the yellow.
Jalan lah, nó bảo là hoặc là hiện chicken nó bằng quả đi. Nó bảo em lo ni aku pun mesti lịch kia mà hít đập nó rồi nó nên sao bây giờ thì lên thằng biu nha, cái bản nó phải phép jalan lo. Nó bảo là register nha mình này đi. Nó hả? Nó bảo cũng là register nha mình. Anh đi bảoว่านี่นะ
All candy.
แม่ว่าเราพี่แกนหนึ่งครับไม่เชื่อพี่บอกว่านี่ดับเบิ้ลมา
One lady.
Should we get more eggs?
Is there any more eggs?
No.
Open yours. Open yours.
ที่บ้านลูกเนี่ยเผื่อนี่ได้มีอย่างนี้มาทำไมชอบดีแล้ว
All candy.
ไม่ได้ดับเบิ้ลหมดเลยอ่ะหมดเลยดอกบอลเลยเลยปะ
Look how many. There's no paper. Look, ladybug. Ibo, you grabbed the whole ladybug.
เปลี่ยนหลีกินนี่นะเกี่ยวเปลี่ยนหลีกินนี่นะค่ะนี่หลังว่าหลีกินนี่ก็ดีป่ะ
Is it just
ไอ้ก็รู้อะไรไม่พี่เนาะ
Yeah, but if you find the
นี่
paper,
จับกันทำปี
you bring it to them and you win a prize.
Reminder, parents, empty eggs, go down there to the plastic.
ขนาดร้านเต้นมาเลย
Empty eggs, go down there in those plastic bins. So just take your candy out and then put the eggs down there.
ไม่กินจับแล้ว
Jessie, open yours. Open yours.
แล้วจะนี่เป็นไงพวกเราช่วยกันไหม
Open yours to see. See if you can find the paper.
ดูวิดีโอ
It's too hard.
แล้วทอดอ่ะ
Keep trying. Keep trying.
Okay. That's all the candy has. Let's do your
ถ้า
best.
ดีเดี๋ยวไปเลย
You can't keep the shells. You cannot keep the shells.
You not keep this?
You can only keep the candy, not the shell.
Here, I'll take all the egg, then you open it.
Okay.
แล้วก็พี่ให้ก็เอ๊ะนี่ที่เรานี่พี่จะจับแล้วป่ะพี่ป่ะ
So many candies. Yeah.
Wait.
พี่อาจจะจับแล้วก็พี่ครับไปเลยช่วยกิน อ่ะปีข้างนี้ตัวหัวเดี๋ยวพี่ค่ะนะนี่แบบที่เราจะจับแล้วแต่ก็หัวนี่ที่เราจะจับ
Wait, Jessie, you have so many. No, don't close it.
No, don't close one. Close one. See you, man. I'm clear. Give me fast. Just open it. Look at me more.
นี่เก็บมีโอเนี่ยวันนี้ละไอ้พี่แต่ชื่ออะไรเนี่ยชื่อกระเทยดู
Just here. In the corner more.
พี่เงินชื่อกระเทยก็เป็นเชื่อระเบิดถ้าสิ่งนี้ก็เป็นเชื่อระเบิดที่ไหนเป็นเชื่อระเบิดหรอเนี่ย
Just here in the corner.
ให้เป็นเลยเดี๋ยวพี่เตรียมมันเลย
Double there, yeah.
Yes.
I'm going to go. Oh, the double.
I got rats in my pocket.
Here in the double. That's it. I need here now. Oh, look at the key.
Wow.
In the corner, my pants.
Put all the candy in donuts.
Okay, the candy para pala. Put the drop of the bee of hand in the I'll get it.
No paper. Let me have this, okay? Thank you.
I'll get one. No, he beam of it. I'm in trouble.
Prize time. All right, guys, the first thing we're going to do is draw for the 0 to 3 group. 0 to 3. Who's going to be my Vanna White? I need a Vanna White. Does he come up here? Can we grab that bike thing out there? This thing right here. Oh, yes. You'll avert your eyes to Miss Lindsay. You'll see we have a nice, smooth, twisted ride radio flyer by. Convertible for all ages. All right, the first one's going to be for 0 to 3 girls. 0 to 3 girls. 0 to 3 girl, the winner is Hadley Anderson. Hadley Anderson, please come forward.
Okay, I guess it's mine.
Hadley Anderson. Hadley Anderson. Hadley Anderson going once, going twice, selling to the next girl. All right, once again for the 0 to 3 girl bike. Everybody, give it up for Eris. Zero to 3 boys. The winner is Caspian Carpenter. Caspian, there you are, buddy. All right, there you go. Good job, buddy. All right. The next one is going to be for a 0 to 3 girl, and it's going to be Coco Melon. 0 to 3 girl. The winner is Athena Carpenter. Carpenters are sleeping house today. Athena Carpenter. Right, 6 boys. Yeah, the doggy piano. Yep. The winner is Haley Gibbs. Haley Gibbs.
Well, you know where's my phone? Where?
Oh.
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. All right. The next up is these 2 little dudes. We're gonna draw 1 boy and 1 girl for it. Little bat boys. The girl is Vea Garcia. Vea Garcia.
She's right here.
There.
Come on, kid. Come on, kid.
Oh, hey, first car, what do we do?
I need to buy that. Liam Bowen.
Oh, Liam.
Take the Liam.
All right, we're going to move on to the 4 to 6-year-olds. We'll have some more prizes at the end there.
They stayed to take
4 to 6-year-olds. We're going to do the girl box first. So right over here, you guys are going to see a pink puppy with training wheels.
Lady cut her toys
Pink puppy. Yeah, little one. There you go. That's it. All the models right there.
Ava, you ready for me back for me?
I can't believe that.
All right, the winner is Willow Taylor. 6-year-old Willow Taylor. Hey.
There you go.
Right there, all right, next up is going to be this green, cool Minecraft bike over here. There you go. Train wheels. Is that Minecraft?
It looks like a bit. Dynacraft.
Give you a callie.
All right, winner is Braden Gunn? Or Braden, what is that? Gwen? Braden Gwen?
No.
Gunn? Gwen?
Gun.
Braden? Is there Braden?
Braden.
I don't know, the age isn't on there.
All right.
Nobody? No Braden Gunn, Braden Gwen?
I don't know.
Probably left. Alright, next. The winner is Oliver Wiley, 4-year-old. Everybody in Minecraft.
Come on, baby.
All right.
You won a prize.
Alrighty, next up we have 2 kites.
All right.
2 kites, a boy and a girl. The boy kite goes to Journey, 4-year-old Journey. There you go, Journey. There you go, buddy. The girl kite goes to Marley. Yeah! Go, Marley.
Yeah.
Get him. All right, next up we have bubble hands. Who's heard the bubble hands before? It's pretty cool. Boy and girl. The boy goes to Carson Ward. Carson Ward. Carson Ward. Got it, right?
Right here, come here.
There you go. All right. Next up is Jackson Garcia, 5.5 years old. Make sure you get that half in there. There you go, buddy.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
All right. Next up, we have the bubble machine. Boy, girl. Boy goes to Sterling Baker. I didn't rig this. I didn't rig it. Sterling.
Sterling, where's he at?
Sterling.
Hey.
Hey, bud.
You going another way?
There you go. Good job.
All right, there you go. No, this one I won't.
Leah? No, I think it's Ella. This one's Ella Saldana? Saldana?
Almost.
Ella
Over
Saldana?
here, over here.
Oh, that's not your age group.
Oh, yeah.
Here she is. Here you go, sweetie.
All right, yeah.
We're going to move on to the 79 bike. First up is the girl bike. It's a pretty cool looking bike. Yeah, you can see it over here. Black and pink. It's pretty sweet.
Oh, this one.
All right. And the winner is Ruth Ann Wilson. Ruth Ann Wilson.
There she comes. There.
There she is, right over here, sweetie.
All right, yeah.
That bike right there. That's yours.
Yeah.
All right, we have a super sweet Mongoose Rebel over here for this boy. It even has pegs on it. The winner is Wyatt Rivets. Wyatt Rivets.
Well, he comes over here.
Hey, good job, buddy.
Yeah.
Step on up. She's right here.
Right here.
Right here, man.
Right there it is.
All right. Up next, we have some fishing poles. Let's do some fishing.
Go on through here. Take off on.
First up. Da-da-da-da-da. Nice little Zepco. It's closed reel. Easy to learn on if you haven't learned. The girl is Big Jimmy Johnson. Haley. Liam Cooler. Am I saying that right? Liam Cooler. There you go, sweetie.
Right here.
Here you go.
There you go. Yeah.
Up next, we have a boy, 7 to 9-year-olds. Zip in there is Drake Gardner. Alright, come get him, Drake.
There you go. Yeah.
Alright, up next we have tights. The boy tights. Nice green, really cool cloth, high quality kite. The winner is
If you win that, then you go out.
Jordan White. Alright. Girl is Annabelle Mendez. Annabelle. Alright. We're going to move on to the 10 to 12-year-olds. Okay, so 10 to 12-year-olds are in luck today because Walmart was sold out of the bike, so instead we're going to do a $100 bill for the winner so you can go get your own bike. This is for the big bucks. Mom and Dad get to choose how you guys spend this. This will go to Mom and Dad, okay? 12 boys.
I wish I could put that much gas in.
10 to 12 boys. Greetings, Ward!
Yeah. Don't give my eye on you.
Here you go, buddy. Make sure you get that to your dad, okay?
Yeah. All right.
The girl winner is Adam Davis.
All right. There you go.
All right, we still have a lot of cool prizes. I'm going to start randomly drawing in the buckets for them, but first we're going to give away our fishing pole. That is really cool. Open reel. Girl, bright fluorescent fishing pole. The winner is Cypress.
Right here she is. Come on here. Come on here. There you go. Yeah.
Get you some fish.
Let's get you big one.
All right.
Fish that bitchy wolf. Fishy.
Daddy's gonna be excited because he's really
Joe. Robert. All right, up next, we're going to do both boy and girl for this. So I'm going to draw from both buckets. It's really cool. Launches 100 feet up in the air, blows in the dark. It's pretty sweet. One boy, one girl.
No, they do what
Jadi aku lawan mini palingan ni mah.
Yo.
12 years old?
Ni tu game dah kan.
Aku lupa sih.
Boys, we'll draw football. Girls, soccer. I don't know why. Mikey Adler. Mikey Adler. There you go, buddy.
There you go, yeah.
All right, girls for the soccer ball. Girl like soccer. Annalise.
The one that's
Annalise.
back around like a
Annalise.
no, one of them.
Bacher. Where'd she go? All right, next up we have some cool footballs.
You guys might gotta throw them.
Aku tak ni kan ada.
Like a grenade. Kind of looks similar to like a rocket propellant grenade.
All right, gonna draw these randomly. Different age groups. Coda Ward. Coda. All right, next up, Peyton Oler, 5-year-old. Peyton. Milo. Milo Lane. Milo, you still here? Russell in there? No? Nope. Okay. All right. Brayley. Leckamore. Well, we tried this last time. I'm not even going to try to punch that name. Brayley. I think we tried him last time. He didn't answer. All right, girl. Matthew. Hitney. No, no Matthew? Brayley, it just says Brayley, age 11. Brayley, age 11? There you go. That's sweet. Alright, 4-6 boys. Oh, we just threw that one already. Gage Allen. Hey.
Right there.
Oh, there you go, buddy.
Yeah, there you go.
Junior. 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 Okay. Paisley McCullough. Paisley McCullough. Ivory Wallace. Kylan Ward. Natalia Estrada. Natalia Estrada. No. Who hasn't got a prize? Come in the lineup. We'll see where you at. Over here if you haven't got a prize. Gather around. Okay. All right. Where, Junior? You want? All right. Junior, take blue baseball bat. Sweet, now you can step out. No, only one man. Sorry, we gotta give everybody a chance. No, that's okay, buddy. You gotta step out. We gotta wait, buddy. All right, I got 2 boy, 2 girl kites. Run draw. Zachariah Pettingill. Here you go, buddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Malik.
There's no more baby toys though. Huh? There's no more baby toys.
Serena Gardner. Serenity Kina. Serenity King. Harder than these. Paisley Wallace. I feel like they called it already. Mia
Okay, are you excited?
Marley. She's still here? She already won. Alright, who has 2 little girls? There you go, sweetie. You take one. You want one? There you go. You gotta take those. Who's lucky enough to take home stickers to go all over the wall? Alright. Raven? Shanky? Raven. Shaylin Baker? She left. How do you say that? Cubel? Cubel? Pars? They're just not here if you don't get squared away. Juliet Rebanon. Okay. Take your sweetie, take that one. Here you go, buddy, take that one. Here you go, buddy, take that one. You take that one. There you go, buddy. You can have that one.
They're so happy. Look at her.
And my 1-year-old did this one right here. This little one. This one right here. Oh, he's still going.
Who isn't that one? All right.
Raise your hand.
You guys see this number? So they know. All right, someone pick a number between 1 and 10. 5. Think fast.
Hurry up. She's shy.
4. 7.
2.
She got it. It was 2. All right, next one.
Let's go.
We're waiting for that moment, Pepe.
11, so it's already 3, so she's hungry.
What tea are they in? What tea are they in?